Here we go, baby. Okay.
Okay, doing push-ups.
Oh, baby.
A little late starting today.
The push-ups are
But
in.
hey, we made some money yesterday. We're at $966 on our live
D-O-D.
account. So
Dynamite.
looking good. 5 straight profitable days. We'll see if we can make it 6.
D-O-D. I won't be trading with fight or flight.
Let's get my... I
Grizzly,
think I
don't look at
fixed
the
my
market.
little connectivity problem. Found a application that was starting at 8 o'clock and locking up my system. So
All right, let's go.
hopefully we're done.
We are ready to rock and roll.
The markets did not like Trump's talk last night. They were hoping that the Iran conflict was going to be announced as completed. But no. So big downtrend overnight. Let's see what happens. But starting at 6 o'clock this morning, started to recover. Let's what news did we have today?
All right, guys, let's see what they give us today.
Employment claims less than expected. Interesting.
National. Let's get these all set up.
Gonna be my push-up.
Maybe I'll watch this like 850 to 880 area for reject. Maybe up to 900. I actually like that a lot. That pre-market high mixed with VWAP. Grizzly, don't look at the market. Whatever you do, don't look at it. Don't look at it. No, you're just watching for 800 reject, and we hit it heavy on that first candle. People
Today could be
scrolling.
just a crazy back and forth day. We'll see.
Paying attention. You dang right. All right. We are whopping 7 minutes in. Whopping 7 minutos in. I'll probably wait the first 15 per usual. We need a nice trade like we got in Power Hour yesterday. That was great.
So futures are just completely closed tomorrow? Is it half a day on them? Or is it
Probably half day, but I will not be participating. This is my last day of the trading week. Y'all want to
day?
What?
Remember the last time we traded half a day? Was the stock market half a day that day, or was it just futures? Because we made a bag that day.
I think it was futures. It's usually futures for the early close. Yeah, I will not be participating tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. Maybe go skiing. Gene, you want to go skiing?
I thought they closed it. I thought you said they closed it or something.
Some of the resorts. That's right. Opening days tomorrow too. Fortunately, I don't drink or party, so that's the last thing I want to do tomorrow. The last thing I want to do is go to actually watch a baseball game. Like literally, probably the last thing in line. What? Think I'm sipping on the Haterade? Damn, in 3 days, it will be 23 months of no alcohol on the 5th. It's pretty crazy. On Sunday, Easter will mark 23 months of no alcohol. Tell me that's not fire. Hey, Grizzly, can you hear me? Not sure if you can. Well, if you can, that reject at 800 that was on watch absolutely went ballistic. I will potentially watch a pre-market low bounce as well. We'll see how we react. Either AL for an overall downtrend or BL for a pre-market low bounce.
I think I'll just take it in a single eval. $40. Like it's not even going to get to the low of overnight. That's okay.
What do you all think if we retest Asia low for shorts? Team Bull.
Where's Asia low at? 750?
Yeah.
I don't hate it.
I don't know if we'll get up there.
Well, most type of trades have been a little tougher, but I was talking to you earlier. I said that 800 reject would have been it. Would have been done in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but we I thought we was just gonna rip straight up, as far as we went before we went back down.
Ripper.
If you can catch a nice trade, everyone.
Let's do it. Let's catch a real nice trade. Got 4 more minutes till our 15-minute range is in.
Order canceled.
This is going to be one of them candles where it just retraces the whole move and breaks the 15-minute range high. Oh. Once the 15-minute range is in, 3 minutes.
Seconds for you.
There's like 10 points from where I was going to try shorts.
Wait, good.
It's a 50% retracement of that
No.
candle was it, huh?
Fifteen minutes, 2 minutes away. We'll put it our 15-minute range. Oh.
Got 10 points too early to even think about the retracement. 740 instead of 750. Ugh. One more minute until this 15-minute range is in. That's it. Don't make me rip some 0 DTEs to end the week. Don't make me do it. Because I might. April 2nd, April 6th. Damn, those are the next ones up. Don't make me rip some 0 DTEs.
Minute range is in. Let's mark it out.
All right, fellas, 15-minute range is in. We'll see what we get. Stop teasing the option traders. I really do be doing that, huh? I really do be doing that. I saw it in Power Hour, but stuck in a meeting. It was a horrible feeling. Well, the good news is that setup will come again and again and again.
I'm not in a trade yet. I'm just watching everyone. I'll let you know if I take anything here. See where this candle closes. Be it.
Let me know if you end up taking it. So I can give you moral support.
Some moral support.
I'll give you all the moral support.
I think we made the move we was looking for when we rejected from that 50% retracement of that candle off the candle before.
Yep. I'll still watch this pre-market high for reject too, guys. 850 to like 880.
Like that too. She's got the 200 period moving average, the VWAP,
That, or maybe
and the
we'll look
overnight
for
high.
an orb setup on the way up, but I'll still watch that for reject. The people want to trade some options. The people are itching to trade some options.
I'm tempted to short oil here, but I think this is a total overreaction. So, but no. All right. We'll be looking for a little retracement down here to 747.
Am I the only one who didn't know there was a moon launch thing yesterday until like it happened? I literally thought it was a April Fool's.
Order submitted.
Am I talking to Brandon? I'm like, damn, we're going to the moon for the first time. He said, no, we went to the moon.
Order
I said, oh,
submitted.
you're not ready for that conversation yet, are you?
After the strong candle, I'm looking for a retracement down here
You'll wake
to
up one day.
maybe 750, 748, 750.
I said, all right,
May
buddy.
not give it to us.
We'll talk when you get a little older. Well, Mr. Gene's here.
What's our average true?
First pictures
It's
ever
53. We're in good
posted the moon
shape.
was on April
I'd
1st,
like it
right?
to be higher
Facts.
than about 70, 75. So
All right, we got higher volume on this candle, so it's gonna certainly invalidate, at least for how I'd look, that is low look. Now, if the market was behaving, you know what I would look for? If the market was behaving, I'd look for a move back like into this candle, and then like with stops below like 700, like stops below here. I'd look for longs right here, and then stops below 700. Market hasn't really been behaving with that setup.
didn't quite come down. I was hoping it would there. It's too strong. Maybe. We shall see.
We caught a heater in power hour. We need another heater like that. I have Fiji's your bread and butter. Okay. If you found something that works for you, trade it.
It didn't come down far enough. Now, if this really goes up, this is where you have to kind of project into the future. If this really goes up, this EMA line will come up and may look like it touched. It hasn't touched, but we're invalidated now because it's gone beyond. So wait for the next candle. The reason being is if this were to come down all the way now, it would have this huge tail.
All right, let's see what they give us with this candle.
And that would mean to me that
Either A, get a
sellers,
confirmation candle above this point of control and above 15-minute high, or B, I'm still watching for this reject up here. I still like this reject up here, guys. Up around 8, called 850 to 880.
Maybe.
If we're really strong at 850, I'll look for 880 to 900.
Three. We also could reject off of this 15-minute high. We'll see. But
And Brandon's up trading in Vegas too. I didn't think that boy would be up, but he got up. Happy for him.
see how close that's looking now? So,
Am I in Vegas? No. I haven't been to Vegas in a long time. Brandon practically begged Gene and I to go with him, but we didn't go. I was busy. He's busy.
right, so we have an uptrend, obviously, and that's confirmed by number one, we started trending. So high, low, high,
All right, let's see
high,
if
low,
they
high.
give me my setup.
Okay. Yep, I'll be looking for it up here too.
Grizzly's here. He's just not speaking. Tomorrow is Good Friday. Markets close at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're trading Asia tonight into tomorrow, the markets close before like New York Open. Tell y'all one thing, I will not be here tomorrow morning. I'll be doing a lot of other things that are not trading. All right, I'm going to watch how we react on this candle up here. Come on, go higher. Go to like 880. Come on.
Put it up there just in case it blips up there real fast.
Order submitted.
That's a very tough candle to short right there. That's tough.
A little higher. I'll do it.
That's tough. We may have to still go back to older while. We'll go try the orb strategy. What's the low here? 760, 815 entry, 50 points of risk. Maybe look for like more towards 800 entry. That's tough with that volume and price. Let's see how in 5 minutes we'll check our 15-minute chart too. We're not going to see a whole lot from it right now. New reliable, sorry. When this market used to like to trend. When this market would like to trend every day.
You look. That is right there. 863 was about 8 points higher than I wanted to get in.
Take me away. What's up, Gene? Where's your coffee? I have two potential trades on watch. Either A, watching for a reject up here, or B, looking for a pullback to like 815 to 800 for longs with stops below like 760.
like down here where we bounced a little bit earlier than our low, and now we're rejecting a little bit earlier than our overnight high. But we'll see. Oh, here we go. Might get in. I'm going to put it up here right at the 200.
Up here, this pre-market high. I'm going to watch this area. I'd rather see at this point a pullback for those longs, but I will watch for reject up here. I don't want to see us test up and then reject.
Risking basically $50 here. The 8 o'clock candle.
So I'll let you guys know.
If J-Dun enters,
this 900, maybe. I'd like to
Order
see us
submitted.
move up, reject, and then I'll try the shorts for the reject.
just to the 8 o'clock hour.
Oh, that's a tough candle. I can't short that either. Great. I'm still not opposed to a pullback to like that 15-minute high, that 815 area. Still not opposed.
Okay, 65 loss. I'm going to enter here if it does reject off. We'll risk another $50.
Order submitted.
All right. I want to give everyone my game plan real quick. What I'm watching.
Did you see
Looking
Big
for
Dog?
a pullback to this 8.
Order
Basically
submitted.
around that 15-minute range high. I'm gonna start my position there half size, and I will add to it. If around this 800 down to 790.
I like that too.
Yeah, that's the only option I really see because we have to set our stops like I don't know. 761 is a little bit much, but that's where the trade would be invalid.
Come on, Mr. Gene. You make your coffee? It was on the stove. Just burn it. And 20. All right, let's see how this candle closes.
Looking for
Got 2
a
more
move
minutes on this
down to
candle.
this 820. Be nice.
There's no world where I would have taken that reject to 880 and held to. There was just nowhere to really set a stop. So it's just random. Now, if we get this strong candle close, that's a different conversation. We can have a little different chit chat about what we're going to do. Will the market get better? I mean, the market's fine. You just got to adapt. You just got to adapt, my guy. Got to choose DOD. We don't trade pips here, bro. This man's the GOAT, no cap. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, dog. All right, let's see. Let's go check it on this 15-minute chart, see what's going on here. It's quite the candle, but less volume. That's interesting. That's the secret to DOD. It becomes more DOD in your lifestyle. That's right. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Let's see where this candle closes in 7.
More volume.
Oh, it actually
On a
does look
5.
bad. Come on, give us a little slight pullback. I'm going to try shorts, guy, or pull up. I'm going to try shorts, unless we move aggressively down first.
Looking to cover this at 820. We're basically.
It's worth a stab for me to try if we push up just a bit and then keep stops above like 920. All right, we're getting to my area. Sorry, I was fixing my account. Let's see here. Try 900. My fingers on the trigger, guys. I just want to see how this candle forms. My fingers on the trigger. I've not entered yet, but I'm ready to if we reject this candle. I'm ready to if we can reject this candle. If we can push, and we're going to go high day. So I'm not going to get any entries. Well, scratch that, I guess. That's not going to give us an entry. Scratch that, everybody. Now we just wait for either A, this 15-minute chart to close, or B, for the 5 minutes to do something. We didn't get a deep enough pullback. If I would have wanted longs, it would have had to have been down here. And for shorts, I wanted to see us reject this area right here and push down, but it's clearly not going to happen now. So maybe what we watch like 24,000. Oh, whoops. Yes, that's much better. That's great.
The market's trying its best to trick us in the shorts there.
I know. Yeah, no trades for me yet.
I would have taken some if we'd been below VWAP. That's the only thing that saved me.
Yeah,
VWAP
I was
being right below.
If we would have touched 900 and rejected, I was going to try it too. But we didn't, so no trade. No
24,000,
confirmation.
we gonna watch that?
I'm watching 24,000 too for sure. For sure.
Yeah, definitely worth a watch.
I think it's worth it. I definitely think it's worth it.
Candles. Fifteen minutes till the 10-minute candle comes up. All right, now I'd be looking for a pullback into this area and possibly go long depending on.
Grizzly, what do you think about a 900 bounce?
I think we're too extended. Or we pushed up too far? What do you think?
I was gonna say initially I thought it was okay, but we pre-market high there. I guess with a really tight risk, you try like 885 bounce with stop at like 860.
$900.
Is gonna go.
I mean, it's a valid trend setup. I mean, that would be a valid trade. 900 entry
Yep.
or 880 to 900, and your stop would have to be below VWAP there,
Yeah.
below that previous candle. But
Order filled.
ooh,
Well, it said,
knocked off
well, you don't get
straight.
that anyway.
Do we have some kind of news causing this pump, or just being MNQ? NVIDIA pumping something like that. Fed speaker. What time is that Fed speaker again? Is it now or is it 10:30? I want that Fed speaker to come on right at 24,000 and just be loaded down with puts. $10.15. Okay. Fed speaker in a few minutes, everyone.
All right, we got to find a trade in the next 3 minutes, Grizzly.
Let's do it.
I'd like to see us sweep 24,000 and hit the ultimate mega trade.
Yes. That Fed speaker, I'm telling you, I hope he's holding a ton of puts. Starts talking right at 24,000.
All right, Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I'm going to use the restroom and I'll be back. Gene?
Hello. Yeah, most likely. No, I'm not in anything. I was trading some evals. I got that long move up on my evals. Yes, sir. I still got some stuff to take care of. Hmm. Yeah, do trade live. I have a new mix, guys. It's pretty fire. It's like Jadon style mixed with my style. Let's see. Oh, the principal's back. I can't even show you yet.
What's up, bro? Taking trades out today? Gene's back from Mexico. Let's see if 24,000 gives us some opportunity. Let's see if 24,000 gives us a trade.
$24,000. Finger on the trigger.
Bro, if that literally touches a few points down and then dies, I swear, I'd be salty.
How's this? here. Give it a little bit.
I just feel like at some point they're going to give us a big reversal.
Order submitted.
Any trades yet? Nope. No trades yet. I'm going to watch how we react at 24,000.
Candles about to go in.
We're going to need at least, I mean, I'll probably be here another hour 10. So we still got a bit. And I didn't get a trade during New York yesterday, and then bang, I got him for power hour, hit a banger. Had an absolute heat-seeking missile of a trade. Trade was baller.
Just, EMAs. Maybe not.
What time is power hour? 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time every single day.
Got me again? It'll be 3.
Dun, dun. We're touching 24,000. Let's see what they give us, everybody. I'm in no rush to take anything. I still have another hour. I'll be here trading with you guys. I think the Fed speaker's on right now. I think. Not 100% sure.
Tank it.
But I think.
Say you're going to raise interest rates.
Dun, dun, dun.
We can survive to 24.
No pullbacks again. The only semi pullback we got was to VWAP when we were right below pre-market high. No bueno. Why they got to do us like that? NASDAQ, you're not chill like that, bro. You're not chill like that. You ain't chill like that, my guy. Yeah, I stream Power Hour every once in a blue moon. And honestly, usually it's not much to write home about. but there is sometimes when she cooks.
Seconds can end down here. Could be good. We have lowering volume, so that's a good sign.
All right. Don't you sell off too much. Looking for a short entry, everyone.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's my type of language. Sweep 24,000.
Nice to have a confluence with Grizzly.
All right, I'm gonna set. If we take this trade, my stop will be at 24,000 and like 5.
Yep. Hopefully we can get. We have 20 more seconds on this. Give us a volume push. That's all I've been watching all morning.
Ooh, don't turn green.
It's tricky.
Tricky. I'm trying some. I'm in light size. MNQ shorts. Keeping my stops above that previous candle, 24,005. There we go. Keep going.
Yeah, my boy. We pop back up. I'll join you. I was waiting for a little move up.
It's about to hit my first trim, everyone. Come on, keep going down. There we go. It hit my first trim. Nice. Trim, everyone. Move your stop to entry. This is going to be a green trade regardless.
Good job, my boy. I'm still trying. If we pop back up, I think we have more room. Probably. I won't say that indefinitely. I want the big one. If I'm gonna take a trade, I want a big one.
70. It'd be 70. I'm going to put my stop actually at the top of this candle that we're currently a little bit in the red, not much. Still would be green regardless. I trimmed half my position up there.
Just
Or
going for a
down as
scalp.
No, I'm gonna see if we can get pre-market low. That's what my price target was, pre-market high rather.
So he's looking for here.
Point going up.
Nice. Going. Respect these levels and put my off a target there.
Is anybody
I
in this
still like
trade with me?
shorts. Any pop up here to like 970 to anywhere in 970. I like shorts still. I don't think it's a bad idea to enter this with shots at a bigger reversal.
Make sure you put your stops at entry or at least at the top of this candle. I'm moving my stop down to entry. I'm not giving back any profits. This crazy market. Go down. I'd at least like to see 900 out of this trade.
Minutes to the 8:30 candle. That's a confluence candle.
Do it. market strong. It may not give it to us.
Mm.
At least we got one trim off if it does hit our entry. The previous candle looks good though. I'd be surprised if we don't get another trim.
On this move up, guys, above 60, I'm going to start a piece and then can add into 70 to 80 as well of shorts. I think it's worth a try with stops at like 405. If you want higher risk entry, you can add, well, not in the 40s.
Third candle coming up.
So you can add a little earlier in the 60s.
Come on, push down.
And
There we go.
put my stop here.
Keep going.
Just in case we get that retracement, and then I would
Uh-huh.
maybe
I think we
add
missed
in
that
with
pre-market high.
Jaden.
Looks good.
All right, got a
There's
little
a
bit of
wolf
our
leg
losses
here.
back, and if it comes up a little bit more and Jaden gets in, I'll join him.
Order filled.
Nice job, Grizzly Glock.
Thanks, man.
See how those puts are moving. The poots.
Enough to pay for the steak today, at least so far.
That's all that matters.
That's it. I trade for steak and taxes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
let's see. Is he going to enter?
Say that again. All right. Let's see here.
Got my entry, everyone. I'm out of this trade.
Just-
Trade is over for me.
Waiting for a
I tried a small piece
confluence.
on this move up to 70 with stops at 24,005.
Probably
So-
print for you. I stopped out. I did you a favor.
It's I think it's definitely riskier, but 30 points in case we do get a reversal. I don't mind the trade above 70. In case we do get a reversal, however, there's a possibility where we flag here and then we just trend up. So your risk has to be defined to that 24,005.
Order submitted.
There we go. We're at least trying. Let's see if we can push down further. Come on. I'm going to stop this here, guys. I'm going to stop it slightly red. I'm going to stop it slightly red. I'll look for re-entry. I don't like what I'm seeing in this 1 minute chart. So I stopped it slightly red there.
I'll
If
move my
we get a
stop
strong
down.
confirmation candle here, I'll re-enter. But I stopped it early. I don't like what I'm seeing in this 1 minute. I don't like what I'm seeing in this strength. So I stopped it early, guys. Stopped it early, stopped it early, stopped it early. At about 12 points. That's what I didn't like. That's what I didn't like right there.
Order filled.
I got that spidey sense. We made that higher low in the 1 minute within that candle. And whenever you do that, you try to push down. We were at like 15 or 20 points. And you make that higher low. I was like, nope. Not holding that. So we'll look for re-entry. That was damn good trade management right there.
If we go to
That was damn good
24043,
trade management. I'd seen that. I was like, nope.
I will go short.
I'd love to see the reversal. I'd still like to see what we saw yesterday, which was you saw this aggressive move up slowly. We find our high point and then we just die. I think we're going to see the exact same thing today. I really do. No, obviously that's just thoughts. We might just nuke up all day, but I'd love to see us rear entry. I'd love to see us find that exhaustion and then move up.
Right here, 24,043. Yesterday's low.
Grizzly, good trade management for you too.
I'm gonna wait for the 6-minute candle to
Just
close.
busted my account. Well, then you
I
probably
can work on my patience.
need some work on your risk
Down
management.
here,
my guy.
had I
12 points bust
had
your
more
account,
patience,
then
I wouldn't
I
have
don't
experienced
know
that
what
loss.
to tell
But
you. Even if 50 points bust your account, then I honestly don't know what to tell you. I've always traded reversals. What do you mean? Trends and reversals. That's it. No ICT wizardry, none of that.
Well, this is
Trends and
another trade set up.
long entry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. You manage your trade well too.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
How'd yours go?
I stopped out for like 12 points. I didn't like how what I saw on the 1-minute chart with our volume increasing, the price being a higher low, so I stopped it. Which ended up being a good
3
decision.
seconds.
I actually don't hate an upside entry now.
What is this here?
Like 24,000 at 23,980.
Oh yeah, this is previous day low at 24,043.
Jesus.
Look at that candle.
I'm in.
What is this market? What is this? Insane.
We hit previous day low. Previous day point of control is at 24,200.
Jeez Louise.
Wow.
Well, I'm
Hope no one
confident
was
we're going to.
short.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
Oh.
Jeez, is that war news? The Fed speaker or Trump's pumping the market? Someone's doing something. Gosh, damn.
Wow. Something happened there. That is not your typical.
No. That is
It hit previous
crazy.
day point of control there.
No shorts, I guess.
See? This is my last hurrah for the
Yeah.
day.
Oil dumping, it probably is war news then.
Wow. That's it for me today.
Jeez Louise. Look at that. Watch us sell this whole candle off too if it's some BS. If you're in the longs, congrats. My goodness. Jeez Louise.
It's like we're getting a new point of control with this candle.
Yeah, yup. Well,
Have to
I
adjust
think
it.
at this point, as long as it's not a bogus news candle, we can look for some longs.
Oh, the straight's getting opened. Iran opening the straight up.
That probably is it.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's see.
Right at that 50% of that candle. So
I would have preferred us to see this candle close strong and take a 50% retracement of it.
sure. There's a reason, because it touched this is the reason I entered that last trade. Very risky.
Imagine if that would have given us that pullback to 24,000 first. We hit longs for 200 points. Come on.
Order filled.
Real quick, everyone, while we're waiting on another trade. If you took that trade with me, tag me, let me know what you made.
Grizzly loves seeing the poster gains.
I do.
And I love seeing it too. All right, let's see here. Let's see what. How does one find a long entry in this enormous candle? Yeah, bananas. Literally, what do you even do about that? This could be an ultimate two bar. It's just there's so much risk on it.
Yeah, I would say new.
Mm. Mm. You're going short. Well, be careful. Be careful, my friend. Just make sure you have your stop set. Could work. Just be careful. I'd love to see us sell this whole candle off. Wouldn't that be great? Yeah, be careful. Be careful if you're trying to short this, guys. There's a lot of volume here. No top step, but you can use code JDUN with Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, and FFF. Our way. That would have been the one. That 2-bar would have been it right there. There would have just been literally an enormous amount of risk. Like 100 points of risk. So you need to move from 140 to basically high a day to make it worth it. Yep, Apex does pay out. No denied payouts anymore. I'm about to rip these longs if we confirm. I don't love this volume on this candle. Otherwise, I'd say I'd
Order
look for a pullback
submitted.
on this candle and rip the longs here, but this is horrific. Horrific. Terrible.
Yo, come on. Keep going.
Jeez Louise, what bananas. QQ 580. Come on. Give me a banger. It's one banger. That's it. One heat-seeking missile of a trade. That's all we want.
I'm gonna let this one go red. But 48-minute candles coming out. All right, stay down there. Five.
If you guys have been looking for the copy trading video, it's on my YouTube channel, JDUN Trades. I only took one trade that I lost like 12 points on. I cut it early. As soon as I saw it, I didn't like where it was moving, I cut it.
Where are you looking for a bounce at, Jadon? You gonna wait to 24,000, or are you thinking about this like 50 area?
I mean, realistically, if we're going to get a higher low, it's going to be in that 50 area. This market's just been, I don't want to get in and have it dump me.
Yeah.
I don't want to get dumped.
Who hurt you?
I don't want it to hurt me.
How's Gene? He trading any?
He's chilling. He got some longs earlier on his evals.
Nice.
Hey, Dan.
So what would that be? 76. I mean, technically, if we wanted to try this fair value gap bounce, we could try it at 78, stops at 30. I think I like that 24,000 a lot better for a bounce. Like,
I like lower too.
watch it bounce right where I said here.
Might bounce like 100 though. That's high risk area, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible.
I feel like it could do something crazy here, like sell back off to pre-market low or something weird.
Me too. That's what my spidey senses say.
There you go. What are you hitting at the gym today, Jada? I don't think I asked you yet.
Probably arms.
Arms?
Probably arms. What about you? What do you hit today? Push?
Just push. I don't think I don't really hit arms anymore. I need to start doing it again. I just hit push, pull, and legs anymore.
Curls for the girls.
And pull day, I hit some curls. I hit like 2 different sets.
I'm tempted to try longs at like, actually, no, I'm not really, honestly. News candle is such a scam.
Congress is like, okay, let me grab calls before you drop that tweet.
No dead ass. None of these reversal candles have a lot of volume, so it's kind of sketchy to even try to short this or find a top when we don't have a lot of selling pressure coming in.
Yes, that was the bounce area, everyone. I was just afraid to take it, honestly. Like I wouldn't say afraid. I just knew what could happen because that news candle. And we had quite a bit of selling pressure on that previous candle.
I don't like
Order
trading
filled.
reversals that
Compared
aren't
to normal volume.
backed by volume.
Market is closed tomorrow.
Yep.
Like next week's gonna be a good week. Manifesting it. I'm green on the week at
Cool.
least. I had Monday. I had a winning trade. Tuesday, I had a losing trade. Wednesday, I didn't take a trade during the live. I ended up catching a small trade later on yesterday. Today, we had a winning trade.
Yep. One red day for me this week, too. Well, technically, if I stopped
Order
trading today, it'd be a
submitted.
tiny red
It's
day.
the same
too.
day, right? Tuesday.
Yep, Tuesday.
Yep. Why is it closed? It's Good Friday. We got Easter on Sunday. Some basketball this weekend, right, Jenna?
Yep, Final Four.
It's hard to judge this volume because that massive volume candle. Fair value gap was it?
That was the bounce area, huh, Grizzly Glock?
Yeah.
One, two, three, five, six.
Order filled.
That was it right there. That was it. I wouldn't have taken though. There's no way I would have taken that.
That 24,200, 24,210 is going to be hard to get above. We got previous day point of control and current point of control. Then we got Asia high right above it, 245.
I got about 30 to 45 more minutes I'm willing to trade. And then I'm out. Even that reversal candle right here, with that like higher low candle, volume is just not, it's not picking up. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I'll be right back. Gene will take care of you.
Give us all.
Order submitted.
I'm going to be done. I got to call it for today. That was revenge trading.
Order filled.
See, I make mistakes.
Yeah, most likely I will be. Hmm. What's up, dude? What's going on?
We're catching a banger today. Nah, probably no power hour trade for me today. We'll see. Not going to completely shoot it down, but probably not. Like 80% no.
Order submitted.
Well, I don't want to try shorts again, but I don't know what we're going to do here. Not really our typical type of setup.
Grizzly, you going to miss me when I leave for a week?
I miss you, man.
I miss you and miss everybody.
I should just go with you. We get to celebrate our birthdays
Yeah.
together.
So we have the same birthday. And that's actually not a joke.
Well, I should have taken shorts. We do have the same birthday, May 8th.
Yep.
You're just a little bit older than I am.
Yep, I turned 37 this year. Crazy.
35. How old will you be? Like 29?
37. I'm 36 right now. Jerome Bettis.
After my last trip out of town, I don't know when I'll travel again. I didn't think I was going to get home. I really thought I was going to buy a car or rent a private jet to get home.
Bro said 37 is nuts.
He's not
I'm
37.
I'm 36 right now. You didn't know that? Turned 37 in a month. No, I wasn't younger than you last year.
Still watching for one more setup, everyone. The only reason I'm still around. We'll see if we push down that 24,000 area.
I'm 29. I'm just messing with you. I turned 30 this year.
You turned 30? I thought you turned 29 for some reason.
I'm 29 right now. Nope. I'll turn 30 in about a month.
30.
My dirty 30s. Meanwhile, I want to try shorts again. You're looking for the longs, right? You said like 24,000?
Well, I was going to take shorts at 175 before, rather, and I just hesitated. Now I'm going to watch for the 24,000 bounce.
$15 minutes, not showing a ton. Got view up done at 9:27. Funk with love. Oh, thank you. With love. Do I want to take shorts? Yes. Am I going to wait for either a good trend or reversal entry or B, a trend entry for longs? Also, yes. also yes.
Order filled.
The 100 area has dead strength. Oh, baby. Let's see what they give us. Come on. What age did I start trading? 20. I'm coming up on 10 years. 10 years of experience since I got my first ever trading course.
Order submitted.
I did not catch the longs. I tried one short entry and stopped about 12 points later. So just about break even. Oh, I'm here. This looks like we're flagging to the upside. In a perfect world, that's what we'd likely do. How long did it take you to become profitable? A few years, but that doesn't mean that you'll get there in a few years. It also doesn't mean that you'll take that long. Let's see what they give us here. 104, 160. What am I scouting for? I'm not scouting for a winner. That's what I'm scouting for. For a dub.
Order filled.
You're going to sell? Be careful. Right now, it looks like we want to slowly consolidate, then move up. Be careful. Tesla's struggling here. Tesla hasn't really done anything all day. It's been flat. Time for another one from me. I'll do my best. Have I seen Soul? I don't watch Solana like that. Not really my deal. I hold Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin.
All right, guys, done for today. Made mistakes today, but didn't kill myself. So, signing off.